How to do bicycle crunches. Pro tips and techniques. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Bicycle crunches are an excellent exercise for targeting your obliques and strengthening your core. Here's how to perform them with proper form and technique. Starting position. Lie flat on your back with your lower back pressed to the ground. Place your hands behind your head, but avoid pulling on your neck. Lift your shoulders off the ground slightly. Leg position. Raise your legs so your thighs are perpendicular to the floor and your calves are parallel to the floor. This is the tabletop position. Executing the crunch. Simultaneously bring your right elbow and left knee towards each other while straightening your right leg. Aim to touch your elbow to your knee, but don't worry if you can't make contact initially. Switch sides. After crunching on one side, twist your torso and bring your left elbow towards your right knee while straightening your left leg. Continue to alternate sides in a smooth, controlled motion. Breathing. Exhale as you crunch and twist, and inhale as you return to the starting position. Keeping a steady breathing pattern helps maintain rhythm and supports muscle engagement. Reps and sets. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions on each side. Adjust the number of reps based on your fitness level, ensuring you maintain proper form throughout. Pro tips. Controlled movements. Avoid rushing through the exercise. Slow, deliberate movements ensure maximum engagement of the core muscles. Neck position. Keep your neck relaxed and use your core to lift your shoulders, not your head. This reduces strain on your neck. Full range of motion. Try to get your shoulder blade off the ground with each twist. This increases the intensity and effectiveness of the exercise. Modification. If you're a beginner, you can keep your legs higher off the ground to reduce the strain on your lower back. As you progress, lower your legs closer to the floor for added challenge. Incorporate bicycle crunches into your regular workout routine to build a strong, toned core and enhance your overall fitness. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one.